Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the A3 XP600 DTF printer with shaking dryer machine. This incredible device has been making waves in the printing community, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on its features, benefits, and overall performance. First off, let's talk about what you get in the package. The XP600 single-head DTF printer comes bundled with a shaking dryer machine, 5x500 milliliters DTF ink, 1 kilogram of hot melt powder, a roll of 30 centimeters x 100mm DTF film, and a set of RIIN software. That's a whole lot of value right there. The inclusion of 5x500 milliliters DTF ink and 1 kilogram of hot melt powder means you'll have plenty of materials to get started with your printing projects. The shaking dryer machine is also a fantastic addition, as it helps to speed up the drying process and ensures that your prints come out vibrant and consistent. Now, let's dive into the printer's capabilities. One of the standout features of the XP600 is its ability to load 13-inch width film, allowing you to print up to 12.5 inches in width. This is a game-changer for anyone who needs to produce large-scale prints, such as custom t-shirts, posters, or signage. The printer's wide format capabilities make it an ideal choice for businesses, artists, and hobbyists alike. Plus, with the RIIN Hosonsoft software, you can easily design and print your projects with ease. The software is safe, easy to install, and virus-free, which is a major plus compared to other software options on the market. Another key benefit of the XP600 is its durable construction and reliable performance. The printer's strong packaging ensures that it arrives at your doorstep in pristine condition, and the custom packaging design helps to prevent damage during transportation. I've seen the video, and I can attest to the fact that the packaging is top-notch. The printer itself is also built to last, with high-quality components and a robust design that can withstand heavy use. Whether you're printing small batches or large quantities, the XP600 is up to the task. What really sets the XP600 apart, however, is the level of support and service provided by the manufacturer. As a factory direct seller, they offer all parts of the printer, as well as technical support and assistance. This means that if you ever need to replace a part or troubleshoot an issue, you can rely on the manufacturer to have your back. I've heard stories of buyers who have purchased multiple DTF printers in the past, only to have them break down or become obsolete. With the XP600, you can have confidence that you're investing in a printer that will last, and that you'll have access to the support and resources you need to get the most out of your device. In conclusion, the A3 XP600 DTF printer with shaking dryer machine is an absolute powerhouse of a device. With its wide format capabilities, durable construction, and reliable performance, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints. The included software and materials make it easy to get started, and the manufacturer's support and service ensure that you'll be able to keep printing for years to come. If you're in the market for a new DTF printer, I highly recommend checking out the XP600. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing device. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.